your Indian consumer.
Hey consumers, it's me Prasad Vidparik, your Indian consumer, and today we are doing a sound test of the Zoook Rocker 2 alongside the Sony SRS X11. Now both of these are 10-watt speakers, and so we are doing a sound test between them. So grab hold of your headphones, sit back and carefully listen to the sound output of both these speakers. So well, this test must have given you a rough idea between how both these speakers sound. Now both of these are Bluetooth enabled speakers, and the Zoook Rocker 2 gives a 8-hour playback with a 6 hours of charging, whereas the Sony SRS X11 gives a 10 to 12 hours of playback with 6 hours of charging. There is a huge difference between the rates of these speakers. The Zoook speaker is available for around 2000 rupees, whereas the Sony SRS X11 is available for 4500 rupees. If we talk about the unique features in both of these speakers, then the Zoook Rocker has the LED light, and you can also use it as a power bank to charge your mobile phones, whereas the Sony speaker has the Nfc Feature Enabled, and you can even pair it with a speaker of a similar kind to give a stereo output. The Sony speaker also has an advantage of its size, which is really very compact. But when we are looking at an audio device, the main thing that we look at is the sound quality, and we found the Zoook Rocker 2 to be a better sound producing device. The bass was clearly prominent on the Zoook speaker, whereas the Sony was a little bit higher on the treble. So considering the overall experience, the sound quality, the price factor, we feel that the Zoook Rocker 2 is any day a better deal. The links to purchase both these speakers are provided below in the description, and even the individual video links are provided below in the description, so you can go through them. If you have liked this video, do give it a thumbs up. Do watch my other videos. I make videos on all Indian consumer goods and services, so do check out my channel. Do subscribe to my channel if you have liked what I'm doing. Well, for now, this was Prasad Vidparik, your Indian consumer, signing off, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.